Hello, I am Debbie Driver, and I'm the Culinary Instructor here at Caddo Kiowa Technology Center. And I would like to give you a little bit of insight into our program along with a view of our facilities. The jobs in the food industry are endless. Whether you want to be an entrepreneur and own your own food truck, whether you want to be a manager of a restaurant, or if you just want to work at a daycare center and you take care of children that have to be fed. I tell the students that we have two classrooms. We have this one, which is in an actual classroom setting. Then we have another classroom out here, which would be the kitchen, which is also connected to our school cafeteria. So they get the best of both worlds. Some of the things that we do here is we have units on kitchen safety and sanitation, hospitality and tourism. We do units on different types of foods like herbs and spices, cultural cooking, catering, bulk cooking, all kinds of units like that. One of the best teaching tools that our students have is the experience of working in a live kitchen. And I want to give you a little bit of tour of what we have. Like I said earlier, we like our students to walk out of our doors and be able to work in any position in the food industry, especially a restaurant. I'm going to walk you through on some of those areas here in our kitchens. We have prepping stations or workstations. We've got warmers, along with meat cutters, a grilling area, fryers, steamers. All of these things they will be able to have accomplished here and be able to take them into the industry and work firsthand. Have you ever seen a food mixer this big? This is what we use for bulk cooking. Things like cakes, rolls, we even mash potatoes in here. Part of working in a restaurant kitchen is knowing the difference between a conventional oven and a convectional oven. So that's something that we teach here also. Students are required to pass two different tests throughout the year. One is the Safe Serve Food Handlers Test, and the other one is the Safety and Sanitation Test. If you love food, come see us. If you thrive in a fast-paced environment, this is a place for you. If you want more information about our program, visit us online at cktc.edu.